Lana.
And I'm Molly. And what did you have done?
My 2 expanders.
You got 2 expanders on the top and the bottom. We came to Dr. Ting because she was having difficulty breathing, mouth breathing, a super high palate, and we were referred to Dr. Ting by a former patient who had great things to say about him. And we are so glad that we did, because we had been to another orthodontist who didn't have any recommendations for the mouth breathing issues, and that was concerning. And how long have we been coming here now? 5 months? 4 or 5 months? And her expanders have expanded her palate and corrected that issue. Her face shape has changed. She was kind of having a little bit longer face. And because of the palate expansion, she's breathing great now at night. And we're really happy about it. We were nervous at first because it seemed kind of like a lot to be done, but it turns out it was all manageable. He made it super easy to understand. Everybody was very helpful. Whenever we had questions, we would get a response immediately, and I'm really grateful for that because it was confusing at first for us. And now we're really happy we did it, right? Bye-bye.
Would you say you recommend Dr. Ting Orthodontics?
100%. So grateful to Dr. Ting and his whole staff.